I had a colleague mention a metro-wide facilities report. The deputy chief of police sent me that report, and I could not believe what I was reading. It was from April 2018, before a lot of us were on this Metro Council. On page 9 of that report, it says, in 1952, an ordinance was published for a proposed bond issue of $2 million for a new centralized police headquarters. The proposal followed a scathing report on the police department. Upon its opening in 1955, the police central headquarters was hailed as, quote, the finest police station in America. So here we are, almost 70 years later, letting history repeat itself after 2 more scathing reports, ready to just give our police a new finest police station in America. But we already did that. And the finest police station in America did not stop Officer Michael Clifford from beating a black real estate broker named Manfred Reed and a black teacher named Charles Thomas unjustly in 1968. The finest police station in America did not stop Officer Larry Bush from shooting a 17-year-old black boy named John J. Lewis in his back while he ran unarmed in 1989. The finest police station in America did not stop Officers Chris Horn and Paul Kincaid from killing another black kid, 19-year-old Desmond Rudolph, shot at 22 times in 1999. The finest police station in America did not stop Officer Mackenzie Mattingly from killing a 19-year-old Michael Newby in 2004. And the finest police station in America most certainly did not stop Officers Brett Hankinson, Jonathan Mattingly, and Miles Cosgrove from killing an unarmed black woman in the middle of the night named Breonna Taylor. Our police haven't just gotten a second chance, they've gotten hundreds of chances over the course of decades. And people keep talking about letting the past go. We don't even know how many officers from the DOJ report are still on the force. My 15-year-old cousin just got shot by the police last month. We have colleagues implying that they won't get certain things in the budget depending on how they vote tonight. None of this is right. The needs of your district are the needs of your district, regardless of how you vote on this ordinance. We're talking about moving away from the past, like the corruption is not still happening with the police department, but also Louisville Metro government-wide. I promise you, this building will not change the culture of the police department. I'll never forget, I voted no for a police contract on Thursday, December the 16th, 2021, my first year on Metro Council. And officers followed me home that night, pulled me over, took me out of my car, and threatened my life, saying to keep a round in the chamber of my gun at all times. I told the police chief, and she did nothing. I told the current police chief, and she has done nothing. And that's exactly what these investments will change. Absolutely nothing, and that's why I'm voting no. Thank you, Mr. President.